Hey, what's going on? This is Trey Murphy, the Digital Hustler, and I am here to show you a quick tutorial on how to get your email integration started with ClickFunnels. Stay tuned. It's pretty simple to get your email integration up and running. It only takes a few steps. The first thing you got to do is log into ClickFunnels. Let me show you how. All right, once you're on the ClickFunnels page, go over to the top right-hand corner to Account Settings. In Account Settings, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you should see, where is it? Integrations. Click this. Now, in case you were wondering, if you haven't already figured it out, email integrations is a way for third-party applications such as ActiveCampaign to send emails to your customers. This comes in handy when you're setting up auto email campaigns so that you can make your customers get to know you a little bit better and give them information regarding other products and services that you may be providing. But before you do that, ClickFunnels has to understand and have a relationship with your email integration software service. That's what this is for. So as you can see, I already have my email integration already set up through ActiveCampaign. But if you don't, over here in the top right hand corner where it says add new integration, you would just click that button. Go all the way to this area where it shows email. It'll give you a better selection so you don't have to go through all the different things that ClickFunnels integrates with. And let's just say we'll pick, let's see, where do we have? We got ClickFunnels Good Response. It doesn't matter which one it is. We'll just choose Aweber for now. So click that. You'll name the integration a specific name because you may have multiple email integrations under one account. One for a separate business, for example. You put the name in and then you hit the connect integration button. Now, more than likely, you're going to need some additional information when you connect the integration buttons, such as API addresses and stuff like that. Those addresses are simply used to help ClickFunnels make that connection with your auto email responder. Let's take a look at mine for a second. Maybe we can get in here. With mine, ActiveCampaign, if you click in here, now this will probably be blurred out, but you'll see the name of my email integration, and then you'll see an area that says API key. This is the unique number that your email integration service uses to connect with ClickFunnels. Depending on who your email provider is, they'll have your API key available so that you can enter it into ClickFunnels. So once that's set up, let's go take a look at one of the funnels real quick and see what it looks like on that end. All right, so here's one of mine, my 30-day business Kickstarter. We will go into, let's go right into here. This is my landing page, and my landing page is going to need the email integration software because when they enter their name and their email address, that information has to go somewhere. Now, ClickFunnels, depending on the package that you bought, if you bought like the Platinum package, for example, you can set up email integration within ClickFunnels itself, but you still need to set up what's known as an SMTP. That will be in another tutorial. But for now, since we're using a third-party integration system, and mine is ActiveCampaign, we'll simply go to Settings, Integration, click this. And if you notice, it has this green check right here. And this green check is there because I already have that email integration set up. But if it didn't, I would have to hit Connect. My integration panel will pop up. This area that's already grayed out would have a selection of all of the email integrations that I currently have a connection to, and one of them would be one of them would be ActiveCampaign. So as you can see here, it's kind of lightly grayed out. This says ActiveCampaign. That was selected. The action would be to add this email to one of my email lists with a tag. That tag says 30-day online business lead. So whenever somebody submits their form, it's going to send that email address to ActiveCampaign with a tag on it saying that this is a new lead. That goes in a little bit more into email integration tips and tricks in order to help you organize your emails a little bit later. But this is a way to let you know if your email integration has connected. All right, so now you know how to set up your third-party email integrations into ClickFunnels. If you have any questions, please make sure to leave a comment. Most of all, if you did like this information and you want more, please hit that subscribe button and I'll be sure to update you with a lot more videos. If you wanted a very good third-party integration system, I use ActiveCampaign. I'll also have a link for that at the bottom. It will be an affiliate link, but I assure you it is a very good email integration system. I've been using it for a while and haven't run into any problems. Well, I think that's about my time. My name is Trey Murphy. I am the Digital Hustler, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.